$4.99. You could feed your whole family with just one rotisserie chicken, especially for them moms who work like me and you need a quick meal. Boom, here you go, right here. Costco got you covered for $4.99. It's seasoned already, ready to go. All you gotta do is find you a nice little side and serve it. This will actually go great with some green beans, some macaroni, some mashed potatoes, a nice little roll. Like, boom, you could, man, please. I remember for Thanksgiving when I didn't feel like cooking no turkey, I come to Costco, spend this $4.99. Boom, we got our chicken right here. Thank you later.